Hi everyone. I hope you have seen the earlier video of mine where I am making a wire doll as Rajasthani musician. Today I am going to show you how we can dress up this doll. These musicians wear an upper wear called as angrakha, which is a wraparound type. The bottom wear is a dhoti or a pajama, and there is also a turban called as pagdi. I am going to start off with making the pagdi. I am doing it in two parts. I am using the all fix glue to stick this cloth. You can either use the glue or you can stitch the cloth wherever it is appropriate and wherever it is convenient for you. Pagadi is a symbol of respect, pride, dignity, and social identity. Depending on the occasion and the region where the music is being played, the style of wearing the pagadi and its colors change. Normally, this is an embroidery or a bandhani design made with ancient techniques. Next, I am going to make the top wear, which is a wraparound type of attire called as angrakha. Rajasthani attire is normally very bright in color. This is a representation of celebration and positivity. Finally, I am going to make the dhoti or the pajama of the doll. Here also I am using glue, or in some places I am stitching the cloth based on which is the convenient option. First, I have covered the legs of the doll with a black cloth. Then I am making the dhoti. Once dhoti is made, I go about making the sleeves. I am adding a small border to the sleeves, which gives a better look. Once the clothing is ready, next I am going to fix the pagdi. With this, the attire of the Rajasthani musician doll completes. Keep watching my next video for the making of the musical instruments and the other types of attires. Also, let me know in comments how you felt about this video.